Tell me what you like by saying hi. Ask her what her name is, and if she has the time, start a conversation. We don't have to talk for too long.
What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is India, if you didn't know. We got Locksmith. Give me a second. This was requested. Locksmith, I guess, is from the West Coast. I have never heard of him before. Born May 7th, 1985, which we're making like 33. From Richmond, California, I do believe. So we're just gonna get into it. This is Locksmith. Give me a second. Let me know what you guys think about Locksmith. If you guys like Locksmith, make sure you smash that like button. Don't forget to hit that red one, you guys, if you're feeling the vibe. Litty or shitty?
Confidence is everything, my
Yes.
nigga. All you niggas riding waves. Feel me? Yeah. I'm taking a fundamental approach when I focus in. Dealing with negative folks won't extend. Any ambition I had to seek out a mission. I had to sleep in the kitchen when I was hopeless then. Niggas, they try to boast, I don't fit in. Rather than trying to cope, I wrote with pen. Told me to dumb it down, the dummy you done it. The dummies are bumping and money are coming until you drown. Niggas steady frown, but I'm feasting. I don't need a boss or a label to police me. I don't need a foe or a loss to increase me. Did it for a year, then I told them to release me. That's just the bruises you take when you finally arrive. Scraping my checks, man, I had to survive.
Dang. Okay, so he lyrically coming in. Okay.
I'm suffocating, I suffer waiting, I'm supplicating my income. This shit stung, bottle my pride. Follow my conscience and skipped all the nonsense. No cosign to sponsor, I breathe. Out of my nostrils for every apostle. There's 400 waiting to mock as you bleed. They don't understand that they want to pass judgment. Rather have spam than a stand with substance.
They want to pass judgments.
Pussy niggas salivating and celebrating any celebrity selling a mini shine cause they never had a spine. Me, I got a big mouth. Hear me out and fear I would interfere. They steer to clear me out. Y'all been living in the big house. I'm here now, they burning the slave quarters. I'm turning the page forward. Raising the projects. The process, mind numbing. Niggas is fine coming to the game with a lot less. My guess, they cool with it, so I tell them God bless. Fucking with anybody pretending it's really probably the biggest landmine you can find. No. Trusting the person that you had thought was deserving is even worse when you gotta sever ties. Go to the extreme now for someone who seems down with sort of the theme now. Show. Any emotion, any devotion that you hope to receive is a steed that you never should have rode. Selling you lies cause they fresh out of truth. Blaming the tide, but that's not no excuse. How can you follow away?
Telling you lies cause they fresh out of truth? They don't got no many lies to tell.
And try to behave like you didn't look down on it too. Niggas would tell you that something is lame. Wait for like 3 years and then do the same. I just continue in my lane while keeping the
Motherfucker would tell you it's lame and then 4 years down the road be doing the same shit. Don't we all know somebody like that? That just like to judge you and then go around your back and then jock you?
mind frame of flaming you motherfuckers who act obtuse. All you niggas riding waves. Look to me to do the same. Y'all too busy counting plays.
What? He on some exorcism shit? What is he doing?
Money, bitch, I'm paid. And I don't give a fuck for anybody but few. I don't say much until they got in my view. I don't adhere to any notion of fear. I'm revered by the folks who really know what I do. So I flew to a whole nother coast and made the most of the bad hand I was dealt till I felt things slip. Thought I was ready, but I was stalling. My heart is heavy. I'm falling apart. It's petty. The hate, I caught a bevy. Let it be said, if I shed blood, it wasn't in vain. Now they want me to tame myself. Niggas see the life I portray as some sort of...
Hey, that instrumental. Instrumental?
A game, and for that had to blame myself. They see it all as so simple, deceiving the temple. There's nothing to prove. I just continue in my lane while keeping the mind frame of flaming you motherfuckers who act obtuse. All you niggas right.
Yeah, stay in your lane. Keep the same mind frame. Stay focused. Stay focused. Keep the hustle up. nobody can stop you if you don't stop. Period.
Waves. Look to me to do the same. Y'all too busy counting plays. Count money, bitch, I'm paid.
Don't do the same. So that was Locksmith. Give me a sec. Let me know what you guys thought about Locksmith. Give me a second. I'm giving it a 7 out of 10. He came in lyrically, like he really did. He was coming in. This is my first time reacting to him, so I'm pretty sure he probably got little more songs. Let me know down in the comments, you guys. Make sure you smash that like button. Don't forget to hit that right when you guys.
Y'all jumped off at the porch late. I was already in a rental. Early bird get the worm and it won't wait. Haters all getting sentimental. Remember I was working while you hoes stayed home. I was out grinding while you settled. Still helped you out and I gave y'all loan.